Okay, I'm doing my Screencast-O-Matic on Quizlet Live. It's basically an interactive game where the teacher screen is basically like a leaderboard, and students are grouped into teams, and they compete against each other. A question is given to all of the students in the team, the same exact question, but each team member has a different set of answers, and only one of them will have the right answer, so that the teams actually have to work together in their groups in order to find out which one of them has the right answer. The teacher's computer works basically as a leaderboard, and she can monitor their progress and see who needs some more support and hyping up in order to get motivated. If a student enters a wrong answer because they're rushing, it starts them all the way at the beginning of the quiz. So it's best for them to work together in order to get the right answers. The first team that makes it to the end with all the right answers wins. And then the teacher can basically go through and do like a review for them, in which she goes through the answers and helps them figure out which ones were the best answers. For this program, all you need is Wi-Fi. You log into your account on Quizlet, pick the quiz that you want to take, and hit live, and then it gives you a code that you pass out to the rest of the classroom. Each student needs their own device to be on, either a smartphone or a laptop, and they enter their joining code and their name. And once everybody's in, the game itself actually picks random teams. It's probably best for you to have them move into their teams so that they're near each other and can work together in their groups. I think this is a great way for students to actually want to study, because they're playing a game and they don't even realize that they're studying. And that is my Quizlet Live.